Hey guys, welcome back to my video, and this is going to be a part one for this young lady. Yes, I'm doing this on my bed, but that was the biggest space that I had to do it on for you guys because some of the stuff did waste in shipping. It wasn't her fault. So I'm going to go through this stuff one by one. As you can see, that is a Yanni steam toilet thing. It is clean. It is sanitized. It's on my bed. I haven't even used it yet. This is the first initial video for her. I absolutely love her products. As you can see, the shower gel waste in shipping. So I will clean that off before I use it. It is shyclassbody.com. And if you can't see that, I will definitely have it on here a little bit later. Okay, so this is straight out of the package from the post office, and I want to get this video up because, like I said, the shower gel waste, so I need to clean everything off. So I might as well do it while I'm doing the video. This was the shower gel. As you can see, it waste. So I want to go ahead and get this out, get this in my shower. Oh my God, it smells so good. I'm so mad at waste. It smells so good. Oh my gosh. Actually, let me put this on here because it's going to get on the towel. I'm going to go ahead and put that in my shower. Probably use that tonight. All right. This is the coconut milk bath. This is the clay mask. I think this is the clay mask. This one wasn't labeled, but I believe this is the clay mask with the gold flakes. It's for exfoliating the skin, unclogging pores, and very, very good for oily skin. And I'm going to use all this stuff and come back and tell y'all how I liked it as I use it. This is the Kitty Detox Soak. Kitty Detox Soak. That's what that is. Okay, these are Yanni soap bars. Yanni, she sent me so much stuff. I'm so excited. I've used Yanni soap before, but not any of this other stuff. This is the activated charcoal pink clay. And she sent me instructions on what to do with all of it, guys. So like I said, this is just the first initial unboxing. The shower gel got on this, but this is the neem, turmeric, and honey soap. This is the neem, turmeric, and honey soap. I'm actually going to cut this in half and give baby girl half of this to use on her face because I know that this is really good for her face and acne, and she's been having some issues. I'm going to put that back in the box. Okay, she gave me 2 detox cleanse. One is the detox cleanse and one is the baby maker. I have never done a steam before, but I am going to do the steam. And I am going to let y'all know how I feel about it. But yes, one baby maker, which I am going to give my sister some of this, the one that's a travel nurse. She is ready to start a family. And I feel like she needs to use some of this. And then the detox cleanse. And then I received the Yanni scrub. Okay. And then I received the Yanni serum and the Yanni oil. Now the Yanni serum and the Yanni oil, both of them look absolutely beautiful. The serum is if you don't like oils. The serum has a gel-like formula. They both give your skin a moisturizing glow. They are edible. You guys, I didn't know till I looked on her page. They are edible. They can be licked, sucked, and they're easy to digest. Y'all heard me. Y'all heard me. Y'all better go check her out. Y'all heard me. Okay? I'm not going to put these on the towel. I'm going to set them on my vanity because I want to start using this stuff. This, forgive me, I will have to wait for her instructions. She sent me some instructions, and they're not playing through Instagram. So I have to see what this soap is, but I'll definitely come back and let y'all know what this soap is for because I want to say everything correctly. I just need to get this stuff unboxed because of the shower gel wasting. And then this was the shower foam wash and another soap. And I have to figure out what the benefits of this soap is. But I know this was the shower foam wash. Okay. So that was a foam wash. So this is a lot of wonderful, beautiful stuff that this young lady has sent me. and I cannot wait to use it. Let y'all know right now. I'm going to upload this video close to the time that I use some of her stuff. So after this video, you will definitely see a video of some of the stuff I've used. Of course, I don't know. I have to wait for her instructions if I'm supposed to use everything at the same time. I know I'm gonna Yanni steam. I know I can use the Yanni soap, the scrub. I just have to find out from her in what order they go. The milk bath. It may be 2 or 3 separate videos. Yeah, it may be 2 or 3 separate videos while I use everything up. But I will come back to you and let you know how I liked everything, even if it's in spurts, I promise you. Okay, so this is the initial video of the unboxing for her products. All of her information will be down below. Like I said, the page is S High Classy Body. And it's right here, Class Body. And I'm going to put it down below because I know y'all probably can't make out what I'm saying. And if it lets me link her Instagram, I'm also going to link her Instagram. But these are the items. I'm going to go ahead and wipe them off, get the shower gel in my shower, and get ready to use, and get the Yanni in my shower, get ready to use some of these products so I can come back and give y'all a great review. Hey dolls and gents, just wanted to do a couple of corrections to the video that you just saw, okay? So I did find out, and you'll see a picture of it somewhere here, the stuff that was in the plastic bag, it was a foam and a soap. That was a beard wash for my husband and a soap for my husband. So you'll see a review on that as well. I did give that to him. She did contact me back, and she let me know that that was a foam wash for him and a soap for him. So I was super excited because I didn't know that she was sending anything for him. So that was very nice of her. He's new to the beard game. So yeah. The other thing is, I showed y'all this soap. And I don't know, hold on y'all, trying to hold the phone in my hand and do a quick update, and it's just not working. I don't know how long this lasts, so I'm going to go ahead and put this in the shower so I can use it. I showed you guys this soap. This is the Bentonite Clay Bar. It pulls impurities and toxins from the skin with the clay bar. So I had never heard of anything like this before. You can tell it's very natural, all naturally made. So I'm going to go ahead and use this, or put this in the shower. And there was one more thing that I wasn't sure what it was. The foam was a men's beard wash, and the soap for the husband. This right here, where is it? As you can see, I already cut half of it and gave it to baby girl. This had got wet by the shower gel. I couldn't tell what it was. This was the Neem and Tunic soap bar, and it's for like your face, acne prone skin, problems with your skin. I have already gave baby girl half of this to start using so that you guys can get your review on it, and I kept the other half. I don't really have problematic skin, but I still wanted to try it for myself. So I kept the other half to try for myself. Okay. So don't forget to click down below because there is a discount code if you want to purchase or try any of her products. Okay. And guys, I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed. I'll see you guys next time.